Hi loves, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. You're highly welcome to my channel. Is this your first time stopping by? You're highly welcome to the family. I thank all my subscribers, both old and new. Thank you for subscribing, okay? So in today's video guys, we are going to learn how to make hair bundle from scratch using Kanekalo hair. As you can see, I made this bundle, 3 bundles out of a Kanekalo hair with plus this closure that you're seeing there. The first long one is the length is 22, the second one is 20, the third one I'm dropping now is 18, while the closure is 16. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through on step by step of how I achieved this bundle. Okay, look at it, this is 4x4 closure, but the length is 16 inches. So out of one packet of Kanekalo hair, the color is brush pink. Then I use half pack of color 33, that is brown, to mix both of them together. Okay, so that's how I got this color. So from this 1.5 packet, I was able to get these 3 bundles plus 4x4 closure. Okay, so if this sound interesting to you guys, continue watching the video and do well to subscribe, like and share. So without wasting much time love, let's get into the main video. Here are the 2 colors of attachments I use: brush pink and brown, that is called 33. Then thread and shear where I tied my thread. So guys, as you can see from the video, the attachment I used was 2 in 1 in one pack. So for the half, I cut it into 3 equal parts, and this brown now is half packet, so I divided it into 2. Half of it I cut into 3 equal parts too. So now is the time for me to blend the 2 colors of attachment together. You can as well watch this video on my channel. I posted it sometime ago, how to mix 2 colors of attachment, or how to blend 2 colors of attachment. Okay, so you can do well to watch the video on my channel. So you keep on blending it together until 2 of them blend or melt all together. As you can see, you can hardly tell that it's 2 color. So now is the time to start the work properly. Now you need to cut a little quantity of the attachments, then you fold it over into 2 equal parts, as you can see from the screen. Now after folding it, you must have gotten a loop, as I'm showing you right now. You must have gotten a loop. Now to the thread, you now pass it under the thread, then bring it out from top side. Okay, as you can see, then you pass the strands through that loop you've made and knot it. Knot it very well. So let me show you again. Pick a little quantity of the attachment that you're working with, fold it over into 2 equal parts, then you must have gotten a loop, as you can see. Then pass it under that loop, under the thread, then pass the strand through that loop you've made. Bring it out, drop and make a knot. I will take it again guys. Cut a little quantity of attachment, fold it over into 2 equal parts, then you have a loop. Take it to the rope that you are working with, pass it under, as you can see, from up to down, then bring it out from the upper side and pass the strands through that loop. Then you knot it. It's very simple. Okay, this is exactly how to create um bundles. Okay, I'm taking it again. Pick a little quantity of hair that you're working with, fold it over into 2 equal parts. Then for the loop you've gotten, pass it. I'm showing the loop now. Then pass it under, that is from behind, and bring it up. Then pass that strand through that loop you've made and knot it. Guys, this is how to do it. Okay, it's not hard. And here comes the end of the strands. So after that, I remove it from the shear, then folded it over into 4 equal parts and gave it a very good combing. Okay, as you can see from the screen. Tangle it with your comb. Look at it. Look at the wefts. Okay, I got 3 bundles out of this 1.5 packets of attachments plus 4x4 crochet 16 inches. Okay. Yeah, sweetheart, after combing it thoroughly, the next thing I did was to dip it inside hot water. The water I used was highly boiled. Okay, and I added my TCB leave-in conditioner. I stir it very well. Then I now dip the bundle inside the hot water. I allowed it to stay for about 1 minute. It stayed inside hot water for 1 minute. Okay, so after the 1 minute, I brought it out from the hot water. Then as you can see, it's out. The next thing I did was to comb it very well before drying it. Yeah, this is how the hair looks after drying it under room temperature. Okay, so the next thing I did was to fold it into 4 equal parts and comb it thoroughly again. I detangled it with my weave-on comb. Yeah, sweetheart, this is the right time for us to change this synthetic hair into a human hair. We are working together. As you are watching the video, as I'm making it, we are doing it together. So keep on watching. So after spreading the hair on a table, the next thing I did was to detangle it again. Then I now started to use my iron to iron it. As you can see, I'm taking my time to make sure I ironed the upper side. This will enable the strands to stick together. And while doing this, sweethearts, use medium heat. Use medium heat. Okay, so enjoy the video. It's self-explanatory. Enjoy watching as you're ironing. Continue detangling it if you really want to get a 100% human hair look. Okay. Let's learn a budget. So guys, after ironing the hair, the next thing I did was to fold it into a bundle. Okay, as you can see, just a right round folding. I folded it right round. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, and after folding it, I now comb it again. Then I use a string I got from Naked Woman Hair to tie it. That was how I got that bundle you saw on my thumbnail. Okay, you see. So I use scissors to remove the excess flyaways and comb it again. And here comes a human hair bundle. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah guys, here comes the end of this tutorial. Look at this hair. Who can ever believe that this is synthetic? I mean attachment. My god, I'm feeling this human hair because to me now is 100% human hair. I'm super proud of myself. I never knew this can come out this way. Look at this one now is 22 inches length. Look at, my god, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And this one is 20 inches. Okay, oh god, I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the outcome. And this is 18 inches. Okay, as for the crochet, is 4x4 crochet and the length is 16 inches. Oh my god, I'm super proud of myself. I love this. So guys, if this video was helpful to you in one way or the other, please do well to support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like, comment and share with family and friends, okay, because this will actually help the video to do more good. Thank you so much for becoming part of the family. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for being there for me all this while I've been making this video. Guys, look at, until my next video, bye bye, love you.